Chroma? Oh, are you feeling okay?
Oh, my lovely cafe!
Don't worry, Chroma. I know what will make you feel better. Here, Chroma. Magic Pet Tea. It'll make you feel better in no time.
Mila, what have you given him?
Oh no, that's regular sweet tea, not Magic Pet Tea.
Sugar rush!
Morphle, he's racing off. Morphle, we need to get Chroma's Magic Pet Tea as quickly as possible to the Magic Pet Center.
What? Not in my city.
I'll be right back. Here, I got Chroma's Magic Pet Tea.
But why Chroma?
I know! Morphle, morph into a satellite so we can scan the whole city.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
Woohoo!
Beep, beep, beep! Chroma and Morph!
Let's get him! Ah! Look at us! Chroma, we've got your Magic Pet Tea! We're gonna need a lot of arms to hold him still. Quick! Catch him, Morphle! We did it, Morphle! Chroma's cured! Wow!
My car is beautiful again.
That looks better.
Not again! Every day is a colorful day with a magic pet.
Oh, no! Some of the magic pet letters have escaped, and I only have A, N, Q, W, V, and Y.
Don't worry, Daddy. We'll find them. Is that one of the letters?
It's the D for Daddy. Any letters you catch with this magic hoop will end up back here.
Oh!
H for hoop.
Yay!
Morphle, morph into a race car so we can find the letters super fast. Let's make today magical. R for race car. B for bus. C for car. F for fire truck.
P!
Well spotted, Morphle. P for police car. Look, there's J for jail, and it's escaping. I wonder if there are magic pet letters here. K for kite.
Ice cream!
Oh, I for ice cream. Good job, Morphle. O for Orphle. L for lion. G for giraffe. Z for zebra. E for elephant.
Yay!
Morphle, morph into a helicopter so we can look on the beach.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
umbrella. Look, letters in the tree. Morphle, morph long arms to reach them. Great! T for tree. Now hoop the M for monkey. Awesome, Morphle. X marks the spot. I think we have all the letters now. Let's go back to the pet center.
Thanks for finding all the magic pet letters, Mila and Morphle.
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
Everyone, give it up for Bubble Bear! Thank you, Bubble Bear. Up next with our special music power, Melodino!
I want a magic pet. Oh, this is nice. Stop making so much noise.
Huh?
Why did I just sing that? Oh no!
What are you up to, Winston?
Nothing at all. I've got to get out of here.
Winston took Melodino! We need to get her back!
Not too fast! Get away from me!
Give Melodino back to us now!
Huh? You're singing. Wait a minute, I'm also singing.
Morphle singing too.
Stop, Winston, stop! Winston, stop! Never, never!
Not in my city. I didn't know I had such a lovely singing voice. La 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 la.
The bridge is going up. That doesn't bother me. Watch this.
Morphle, we gotta get up there!
Morphle get naughty, Winston.
You'll never catch me. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Get ahead of them! Get ahead of them!
Let's go.
I'm not enjoying this. I'm not enjoying this.
Go, go, Morphle, go!
Watch out!
Here they come.
Morphle, morph into a trampoline and catch them! You're safe now, Melodino.
I feel sick.
We've seen some excellent talent on show here today.
But the most amazing display of talent was what you three did. Congratulations!
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Look, Morphle, like this.
Morphle too. Aww.
Don't worry, Morphle. You'll get the hang of it, but you'll never be as good as this little guy. Meet Boba, our newest magic pet. Boba loves blowing bubbles. He tends to bubble over with joy from it. Whoa! See?
That looks like fun.
Boba, this is high enough.
I can't get out. Morphle, morph into something big.
Huh? Dump truck. Now Morphle saved Mila. Mila? Uh-oh. Huh?
What is... Huh? Help! Help me!
Morphle, help! Whoa!
Oh no! There's a car falling from the sky! Phew!
There you are, Boba. Listen, you can't just blow your magic bubbles everywhere. It's causing lots of problems.
Daddy!
Morphle, can you pop my bubble? Oh, whew. Thanks, Morphle.
Oh no! Ah! Uh-oh.
Mila!
You saved me! Thank you, Morphle.
Yeah!
Nice. I was a bit on the bubble whether I'd see my car again.
Well, Boba, next time you bubble over, please don't take it so literally.
Thank you, Bubble Bear.
Guys, I think Animi brought the bubbles to life.
Bubble monster!
It's massive! Wow! Bubble Bear, make some really big bubbles for him to play with.
Huh? A giant bubble? Not in my...
Mom, watch out! Whoa, what's happening? This is getting out of control fast. Huh? Oh no! Ah! This is a bubbly catastrophe. How are we going to get down? I think we need to worry about what he's going to do next. Guys, we've got to get out of here. Quick, Morphle! Morphle does something with big teeth and pop this bubble.
Okay, Mila! Jumbo!
Oh no. I know how we can all escape. Morphle, morph into a flying robot. Now pop this bubble. Great work, Morphle. Time to stop that bubble monster. Be gentle, Morphle. Bye.
Bye-bye, tiny bubble monster!
Yeah! Hang on, everybody. We're gonna burst your bubbles.
Get ready to make bubbles for us to land on, Bubble Bear.
Let's go!
Thank you, sweetheart. You're the best.
You're welcome. Now let's get the Magic Pet Center down. Hold on, Daddy. Yes!
Phew.
Quick, Morphle! We did it!
What a bouncy, bubbly day.